Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add space between text in an Excel cell. So first, as you can see, I have a sample data over here with a names without a space. So in order for me to add a space on this one, first thing, just simply tap on your keyboard, Control C, and now go for the other cell and paste it on the other cell, which is Control V. And now from here, just simply go ahead and add a space over here. Now, once you have added a space, just simply go down a cell. And now just simply tap on your keyboard, Control E. And from here, as you can see, all of the names will now have a space. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.